We are pleased to be listing this 2015 Quicksilver 555 Pilothouse. The Quicksilver 555 Pilothouse is a refined entry-level cabin cruiser, offering surprising interior volume in a compact 5.3-meter package. This model blends smart design with practical functionality, ideal for fishing, coastal cruising, or weekend getaways. While the small size makes the boat trailerable. Equipped with a Mercury 80 horsepower outboard, this boat will happily cruise at 20 knots and reach a top speed of 28 knots. Handling is well balanced and forgiving, even in tight turns or at speed, and low speed control is excellent. In addition to the capable Mercury 80 horsepower outboard, there is a smaller 5 horsepower auxiliary engine on the starboard side that can be lowered into the water. On the port side there is a swim platform and retractable swim ladder. The smart cockpit layout offers dedicated fishing features including rod holders and fish box, as well as a bait well. There is easy access to the foredeck via the portside walkway. Side railings and coach roof handholds along with the non-skid deck ensure a high level of safety. The foredeck offers a comfortable bow seat and roomy anchor locker. The coach roof houses a hatch to improve ventilation in the pilot house and solar panels. Inside, the cabin offers seating for helmsman and one other or more with the removable jump seat insert. Equipped with Raymarine Dragonfly chart plotter, fish finder, and DSC VHF, the boat is well spec'd for fishing or coastal cruising. Inside you will also find a V-shaped berth, storage, lighting, sliding windows and curtains for those occasional nights on board. This is a decent little boat for those seeking coastal fishing with cockpit space and cabin shelter, or families wanting a compact, trailerable boat for weekend escapes. An affordable, low-maintenance cruising boat with adaptability. If you would like more information or to arrange a viewing, please do not hesitate to contact me.